Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about class template in C++ programming. Like function template, we can create class template which can perform generic class operations, or we can say which can work with different data types. With class template, same code can be reused for different data types. Like an example, to create one class template, first we have the template keyword, and inside the angular bracket we have the type name keyword, or also we can use the class keyword followed by one generic type. And then inside the class, instead of writing any specific hard-coded data type, we can use that generic data type. Now the class can work with so many different data types. Like in this example program, we have created one class template. So first we have the template keyword, and then inside the angular bracket we have the class keyword followed by the generic type. Also, instead of the class keyword, we can use type name keyword to create the generic type. Now inside the class, instead of writing any hard-coded data type, we can use the generic type. So we have created two generic type data members, num1 and num2. And also we have one constructor which is taking generic type parameter to initialize those data members. And also we have created one function add which is returning generic type value. Now inside the main method, to create one object of the class, first we have the class name, then inside the angular bracket we have to specify the type of data the object is going to work with. So because our object is going to handle the integer type, that's why we have written integer inside the angular bracket. And now we have to pass integer value to initialize the data member of that class. And then we have used the object and call the add function. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program. And you can see the output, the addition is 3. Now also we can make that object to work with float data types. So instead of writing integer, we can write float, and of course we have to pass float values as parameter. So we're gonna pass 1.5 and 2.5 as parameter. So if we just save and run the program, and you can see the addition is 4. So this way we can create one class template, and instead of writing any specific hard-coded data type, we can use the generic type, and this way the class can handle so many different data types. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.